Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
To budget for pool maintenance yearly, consider the following costs: regular cleaning and chemicals, $500 to $1,200. Electricity for heating and pumps, $800 to $1,200. Repairs and servicing, $300 to $600. And seasonal opening and closing if needed, $200 to $400. Expect an average yearly expense of $1,800 to $3,400, depending on pool size, usage, and regional costs. Regular maintenance helps avoid expensive repairs, keeping your pool in top condition.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.